Okay, this is a demonstration on introductory Python. So first thing, basic operations. We want to do addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So for comments, they are generally start with the hash sign. So basic operations. So I'm looking for arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Well, I should better start with the hello Python program. And let me bring that up. So say hello to Python. So print status hello from hello Python. Hello world. Hello Python. Okay. And from this is from I'm using Google Spy. Let's make it meaningful. Hello world, I'm using Google Spy, right? So single quote or double quote, right? And if you write, if you press this play button, so the output is going to be printed right below it. So it is the execution. Okay, hello world, I'm using Google Spy, right? So you can see here that it is different from the compile type language. So all the things are integrated here, right? It is going to call the compiler or the interpreter precisely, if I say from here. Right? So all the delay that you found, it is not due to the language property. It was due to the internet connection and all that. So on your own computer, that will be slightly faster. So basic operations. So okay. Right. 2 plus 2. And output will be printed without writing the print statement, right? So openly, if you write a variable name, for example, if I say x is equal to 2 plus 2, and then I write here x, so by default setting, it will be printed, right? Similarly, where is the add the next step? So add a next code cell. 5 divided by 3 equal to 2. B equals 3, and I write the answer of. I write the answer. B divided by 2. Right. Let's run it. So 1.5. In this case, only the answer of last command is printed. As a summary, so I write print a plus b, comma, b minus a double asterisk b. So it is just like exponentiation, and okay, b double slash a. So just to make it interactive, I say a plus b, comments and variables together, b minus a. This is the answer. This is a double asterisk b. And this is the strange operator, b double slash a equal. And here a, no. 7, that is 7% sign 7% sign 3. Right. So 3 print statements. Let's see their output and interpret the answers. So a plus b equals 5, b minus a 1, a double s tells b 8, so it is exponentiation. B double slash a, its answer is 1. So this operator is for integer division. Right? This is for integer division. And 7% sign 3, this is the modulus operator, modulo operator, right? Mod function in general programming as it is recognized. It is the modulo function. Right? Write it separately. This is the technique for the integer division. Well, Python comes with the built-in function, right? But you have to first call that library. You have to add that library first in your Python program. So in the next cell, I'm going to introduce the mathematical library, mathematical functions library. For math library, it is available in Python. But you have to import it. You have to include this library to your Python program. This structure is similar to C language structure, right? Libraries are available. You have to add them into your program. So I say import math, right? To see the contents of math library, I write here dir math. So it is going to print all the contents of mathematical library. So that is the higher level interactivity in the interpreter like languages. So you can have all the information accessible from your program, right? So see here, the functions are a cos. So internationally in all languages, it is identified as the arcsine function, right? A cos hyperbolic of h and other things are there, right? So it is a slightly higher library, bigger library. There is some pi. Okay, let's see what is pi. To see what is available in the library and to use it. So let's see what is pi. Pi is not defined. Pi is in math library. So that is not the correct way to call pi. I have to have the name of the library. So I say math.py, right? Now the functions are available, and that is also the interactivity. If I say math dot, so it is going to show you that in math library, you can call the function a cos, a sine, and all the functions. So it helps you writing the correct program. See here the ERF function, error function. And now let's call pi. And with the control and enter, the cell will run. And you have the answer printed to 16 decimal places. So you can count it. So in which type of number formatting it is processing? Double precision. Yes, that's right. That's right. Double precision. So pi value is available. Some other constants are also available. Let's compute the sine of x for some angle. So I say angle equal to say 30 degrees. And let's print sine of 30 degree. I write math from math function, and in Python, the help and all the comments are there to help you out in writing the correct program. Math.sign function and sign of 30. So see the information that returns the sign of x measured in radians, right? So it is informing you so that you can use your variables and functions in the correct context. So this is very helpful, and that's why Python is easy to learn. So so we have got the message, and we say that multiply these angles in degree with the value of pi available from the library and divide that by 180. That is the wisdom we have acquired from our FSC, how to convert angles from radians to degrees and degrees to radians. Okay, and control enter, and sine of 30 degree is 0.49. So programming languages are to facilitate you, but there is a level of responsibility which is on the user, which is more than 90% responsibility, that to use the functions and variables in the correct context and to keep a check all the time on your calculations. So that's why in this way, if you use the programming languages, then they are really beneficial to you. So let's stop the session at this point.